Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the iPhone 11, which is yet to be released by Apple. So Apple has confirmed the release date, which is 12th of September. Now right now we don't know whether it's going to be called iPhone 11 or iPhone XS, because according to some rumors it's going to be called iPhone XS. But we have to wait for 12th of September. A leaked picture from 9 to 5 Mac shows it's going to be available in two variants, a 6.5 inch and a 5.8 inch. So according to rumors, the design is going to be the same as the iPhone X, which is kinda true because Apple doesn't change its design every year. Now talking about the price, some rumors are saying it's going to be $999, which I think is true because the iPhone X was also for $999. But there are rumors that Apple is going to release for $550 one, but I don't think that's true. So according to the leak, it's going to release with 3 cameras, which I don't think personally is going to be true because Huawei started this 3 camera trend and I don't think Apple is going to follow this. But I cannot say anything because it can be true, you never know. So talking about the specs, we could see a A12 chipset with a 512GB ROM and a 4GB RAM. So this is the type of specification we see on Android smartphone. So Apple can increase the battery size like 10 to 25%, but it's all rumors. Pre-orders are going to start from 14th of September, but I think Apple is going to start it before 15th of September as soon as they are going to release the smartphone. The rumors compared to before are much better now because the rumors about the Note 9 were true. I will say like 90% rumors about the Note 9 were true, so that's why now people are taking rumors very seriously. Because before rumors were not as what you can say as accurate as now, but nowadays rumors are actually 90% true. So that's why I got all of this information, so I decided to share it with you guys. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.